I had cut out all processed sugar, bad carbs, processed foods. I was doing everything that a doctor would tell you to live a healthy lifestyle. It was like I was not able to eat enough of the right foods. My husband and I, we actually even spent, and I'm not over exaggerating, hundreds of dollars on a weekly basis just in produce to put it all inside of a blender, blend it up, drink it as fast as we could to try to get some of the relief of, different things that were happening in our body, things that we were going through, but it was like we could never reach our full potential with it. When I tried Thrive on day one, it was like it gave my body everything that I needed, and I was no longer trying to figure out what my body needed at that second with my energy level crashing, or I needed this or I needed that, and it's literally just giving me freedom. Just try it, because I was somebody that did all the right things.